GAT+'s Drive Audit section allows you to remove all or any internal Google Drive shares in bulk. To remove all internal permissions in bulk or only specific users, you need to run the remove permission operation. First, we'll need to find the files. In this example, I'll create a filter to find the files I want to remove the shares of. I'll do that by setting the sharing flag to contain specific internal users. This will show all the files in my drive that are being shared to internal users. Now select the files you want to edit by clicking on the check mark beside the file. You can select all the files in the search by checking the box at the top. Once you have selected the files you wish to edit, click the File Operations button and then choose Remove Permissions. A new window will appear. Select the Internal tab. Here you will have three options. You can remove all internal shares from the selected files, or you can remove only the following internal shares. And finally, you can remove group members. Once you have selected the shares you wish to remove, click Send Request. The internal shares will then be removed and a log of the action will be placed in the admin log area.
If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.